What if I told you you could be earning up to $1,000 a day, starting today, using just ChatGPT and a laptop with zero skills? Sounds crazy, right? But thousands of people are already doing it. And in this video, I'm going to show you how, step by step. This is Mickey Flo, and you're about to learn how to turn free AI into serious income. Let's go. Step 1. The $1,000 strategy where you're going to offer digital services that people already pay for. But instead of doing the hard work yourself, you'll let ChatGPT do 90% of the work. Here are the services: blog writing, YouTube scripts, social media content, resumes and cover letters. Each of these pays between $50 and so if you complete just 5 to 10 small jobs per day, you could easily be making $1,000 or more. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to do the work. Open ChatGPT and type something like, write a 700-word blog post about how small businesses can grow using Instagram. Or create a YouTube script about passive income ideas for beginners. In less than a minute, you have high-quality content ready to deliver, and writing skills at no stress. Just copy and paste. Step 3. Find clients today for free. You don't need a website. You don't need ads. You don't need to wait. Just go places like Fiverr, Upwork, Reddit, LinkedIn. Send a simple message. Hi, I create content using AI tools like ChatGPT. Fast, affordable, and high quality. Would you like a free sample? One yes can turn into hundreds of dollars. Step 4. Deliver. Get paid and repeat. Let's break it down. 3 blog posts at $100. It's $1,000 in just one day. And you can do this from anywhere using just your computer and ChatGPT. Bonus tools to scale fast. Use these free tools to make the process even faster. ChatGPT for writing, 11 Labs or a TDS Reader for voiceovers, Pexels and Pixabay for stock footage, Canva for designs and thumbnails. You can even automate parts of your workflow later. That's how real AI businesses are scaling to 5 to 6 figures per month. Final thoughts: this isn't the future. This is right now. AI is changing everything, and smart people are using it to get ahead. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to take action. Start with one client. Make your first $100, then stack it up. This is Mickey Flo, bringing you real ways to earn online. If you're ready to start your $1,000 per day journey, subscribe, like, and comment.